I got two linear equations. That linear equations are x minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0, and second linear equation is x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. These two equations are the algebraic representations of the given situation, right? Okay, today I will discuss about how to represent it graphically. Okay, the graphical representation. First you take equation number 1, x minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0. Okay, this is the algebraic representation. To express this representation with the help of graph, you have to express this equation in terms of y or in terms of x. Okay, now I will express this equation in terms of y. Okay, you take x minus 7y is equals to, you have to take this plus 42 into this side, that gets negative here, minus 42. Yes, I am going to express this equation in terms of y. Therefore, I will keep this minus 7y as it is. I will take this plus x into this side, that gets negative, minus 42 minus x. Okay, both sides I am having minus sign, so therefore I will multiply with minus sign both sides. Okay, multiply minus sign both sides, minus into minus 7y is equals to minus into minus 42 minus x. Okay, yes, minus into minus it becomes a plus, 7y is equals to minus into minus it becomes a plus 42, minus into minus it becomes a plus x, right? Okay, you have to express this equation in terms of y. So y is equals to x plus 42 divided by, you take this 7 into this side, that gets division here, therefore divided by 7. Okay, yes, you got the given equation in terms of y. With the help of this, you have to find some solutions. Okay, yes, tabular column or solution column. Right, x, y, x comma y. You have to draw the lines. Two solutions you have to find out. Right. See here, y is equals to x plus 42 divided by 7. This is our equation, isn't it? Okay. Is here you take x is equals to minus 42 here. X is equals to minus 42. Right. What is the value of y? Yes. You take y is equals to x plus 42 divided by 7. Put x is equals to what I am putting here, minus 42. Okay. Yes. Therefore, y is equals to minus 42 plus 42 divided by 7. Minus 42 plus 42 get cancelled here. 0 divided by 7 in the sense. So y is equals to what? 0. Y is equals to what? 0. Like this. Y is equals to what? 0. Right. And then second, minus 42 comma 0, this is our required point. And second, in the second case you have to put x is equals to value. Okay, yes, this is 42 and this one is a 42 here. Okay, 42 plus 7, 49. Okay, x is equals to, put x is equals to 7. What will happen by putting x is equals to 7? Yes, you take same equation, y is equals to x plus 42 divided by 7. What I am putting here, x is equals to 7. Y is equals to x. In the place of x, you have to take 7 here. 7 plus 42 divided by 7. Y is equals to 42 plus 7, 49 divided by 7. 7, 7, 7 is 7, 7, 7 is 49 here. Y is equals to what? 7. Okay. Yes, you have to take this y value here. X is equals to 7, y is equals to 7. Our point 7 comma 7. Now you got 2 coordinate points. With the help of these 2 coordinate points, you have to draw the what? A straight line in the graphical system. Okay. Yes, this is about the first part of the question. And second equation I will take now. Second equation, that is what, x minus 3y minus 6 equals to what, 0. Okay, yes, here I will take that equation from equation number 2. Equation number 2. Yes, what is their equation number 2? X minus 3y minus 6. X minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Yes, this is our equation number 2. You have to express this given equation in terms of y, right? Yes, to express this given equation in terms of y, you have to keep this minus 3y as it is in this side, minus 3y is equals to, you have to take this minus 6 into this side, that gets positive here, this becomes positive 6, and you have to take this x into this side, by taking this side that gets negative here, it becomes a minus x. Okay, yes, you have to take this one until what, minus y is equals to 6 minus of x, multiply minus sign both sides, because I am going to what get that this becomes what, positive here, minus into minus y is equals to minus into 6 minus x, right? Minus to minus, it becomes a plus here, plus y is equals to minus into plus minus 6 minus into minus, it becomes a plus x. Okay, you write like this, x minus of 6, this is x minus 6 divided by 3, right? Here divided by 3, right? Here you also to write divided by 3. Okay, y is equals to x minus 6 divided by 3, this is the what, equation in terms of y. Okay na? Yes, you have to take this equation y is equals to x minus 6 divided by 3, one more tabular column you have to reformulate. With the help of that solutions, you have to draw the what, a straight line. Okay, yes, now I start. Y is equals to x minus 6 divided by what, 3, tabular column. Tabular column, x, y, x comma y. Right? Okay. Yes, what is our equation here? Y is equals to x minus 6 divided by 3. Yes, here x is equals to 0, you take it. X is equals to 6, you take. X equals to 6. Put x equals to 6. What will happen by putting x equals to 6? Y is equals to 6 minus of 6 divided by 3. 6 minus of 6 in the sense that becomes 0, 0 divided by 3 is equals to what? 0. Here you have to write 0. Our regular point is 6 comma 0. And then one more point, put x is equals to, is here you have to put x is equals to what? 12. 12, it becomes a very, yes, x is equals to 0, you take here. X equals to 0. Okay, yes, 0. And then y is equals to x minus of 6 divided by what? 3. What I am going to put here, x is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0 minus 6 divided by 3 minus 6 divided by 3. 3 1 3 divs are, right? Okay, I will get that is minus 2, that is the value of y. Okay, yes, here you are right, minus 2, the required point is 0 comma minus 2. Okay, now I am having two solutions of each equations, isn't it? First equation I am having two solutions, one is minus 42 comma 0 and second solution is 7 comma 7. And what about the second equation, I am having 2 points, one is 6 comma 0 and one is 0 comma minus 2. These are the solutions. Okay, now I will draw the graph with the help of these two solutions. Okay, start material. X-axis, this is origin point, x dash, y origin here, and this one is y dash. Okay, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so on. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 so on. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 so on. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 so on. Okay, this is our coordination system, isn't it? Okay, with the help of these 2 points, that is what, 6 comma 0, 6 comma 0. Yes, this one is 6 comma 0. Yes, this point comes in this place. That is what the point 6 comma 0. And second point it is 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. This is a 0 here. Minus 2 in the sense this one. 0 comma minus 2. Right. Okay, this is the point. Yes, through these 2 points you have to draw a straight line. Okay, this is what equation number 2. And first equation that is having the 2 points. The 2 points are you have to take here scale on x-axis. Okay, it means what? X value is minus 42 is there. Minus 42. I am having minus 5 only on the x-axis. Okay, you have to take that values and x values and y values. Then you have to draw the straight line. Okay, that straight line it intersects with this line. If it intersects with this line, you have to give the conclusion these 2 lines are consistent. Okay, if it is not intersect with this line, it means what? If it maintains equidistant from this line, you have to give the last conclusion these 2 lines are parallel to each other. Isn't it? Like this, you have to give the last conclusions. Yes, this is the what representation of the given situations with the help of graph. This is the graphical representation. Okay, got it or not? Okay, thank you.